Crypto Goats! If you're looking for the best pre-sales for 2026, the undefeated champion is still Pink Sale. So let's go, Crypto Goats! I'm super excited for this one, but before we jump into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Alright, Crypto Goats, the one launch pad for everyone. We can see it here. With the pre-sales, the fair launch, everything is still here, but they've added new features on Pink Sale. For the tele airdrop, we have absolutely amazing features right here. You can use Telegram and even connect your Web3 wallet like the Phantom, MetaMask, or this. And this will connect to your Telegram bot. So you just promote the username and you're ready to go. Personalized streams, referral systems, and everything else. But Crypto Goats, that's not only that. If you have a meme coin, where are my memers out there? Then you can get this ready to go with the Create token here. Just enter your token details, and you can connect to the EVM chain Solana or Eclipse. And don't forget, they have a whole section for the pink meme right here. So you can jump into the pink meme and see all the amazing launches getting ready for this quarter. And not only that, a customized dashboard showing the liquidity burn and everything else. Crypto Goats pink meme is absolutely amazing, and it's a super hot edition for this new 2026. And you can see the token where you can do pumps, even create these right here, so you can do sell tokens on Solana and list your token right here. And the Launchpad protocol is for everyone. A suite of all tokens ready to go. If you forgot what this looks like, it looks absolutely amazing, Crypto Goats. But if you watch the Crypto Goats channel, you know you can get amazing exposure like this one right here, ranking number 3 on KYC, and an awesome video behind it. So, Crypto Goats, if you are super excited and you want to get rolling, this is the best launch pad ready to go, and I'm looking to see you on the leaderboards right here, Crypto Goats. So Crypto Goats, start with Pink Sale. This is how you find the best pre-sales on the internet for crypto, whether it's memes or whether it's just your favorite token. This is the place to get started. Let me know what you think in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Catch you in the next one.